Now to an incredible story of survival you'll only see here on WPBF 25 News. A local man has been hospitalized since April with COVID-19.
But tomorrow he goes home. Ari Height spoke with him about his experience and the unusual method doctors used to save his life.
Vlad LaRoche tells me when he woke up here at Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center, he thought he'd been out for about a day. He said he was worried about his car payment, worried about paying his mortgage. Then he saw the date and he realized he'd been in a coma for about 3 months. Talk about a step in the right direction. This is Vlad LaRoche. He was diagnosed with COVID-19 in April. He's been hospitalized ever since, most of the time in a coma. Now he's awake, and on Friday, he's going home.
I'm thankful to God. He made it happen. He bring me back.
God touched him, picked him up with his own hands, and got him home.
Doctors at Palm Beach Gardens Medical Center say they had to be creative as they worked for months to keep LaRoche alive.
We just kept faith. We kept facing challenges, and every time we had a new challenge, we had to come up with a new solution.
One of those solutions is something called a hemolung, a machine that allows the lungs to rest and heal. They also used a medication called Dorinese alpha, normally used on cystic fibrosis patients. Doctors here say they're the only ones using it against COVID, and they hope other hospitals are paying attention.
Because I think many lives can be saved if they are going to utilize some of the treatments that we are utilizing here at Palm Beach Gardens.
One life they definitely saved, Vlad LaRoche.
They were guided. You know, I will not make it if I were in any other setting.
I don't know if there's anything beyond that in terms of happiness, but it is, whatever that is, utopia, whatever that is, I'm there.
LaRoche plans to spend the next few months just regaining his strength and reminding people COVID-19 is not something to take lightly.
People have to wear masks, social isolation, take your distance. You don't have to go and stay in your place.
Vlad LaRoche is also a doctor. He believes he may have gotten COVID from one of his patients. But at this point, he has no plan to go back to work anytime soon. He says right now he's just going to take life day by day. In Palm Beach Gardens, Ari Height, WPBF 25 News.
He was one of the first patients we reported on.
I remember that.
And it is so good to see him making a full recovery.